It's actually -5 at the moment, and we're working on a Kia NIRO, I think they call it, NIRO. And as you can see, we've removed the passenger's front seat because unfortunately the front passenger was ill and the car couldn't stop in time, and so we're dealing with some vomit that hasn't been removed from the car. Customers already used a valet company, but they haven't actually removed the seat, and unless you remove the seat, you can't get to the places that really matter. Also, the vomit 9 out of 10 times will actually be on the seat belt. As you can see there, there's something. So it's very important to go to these lengths in order to solve the problem. The problem being the odour of vomit. Nobody likes that. So yes, we are going to be more expensive than one of these car wash places, but if you've got a brand new vehicle like this one, you know it makes sense to get us in, to get the job done correctly. And before we remove that seat, we actually removed the earthing from the battery, and we do that to prevent any airbag lights from illuminating once the seat's been removed. Anyway, we're gonna get on with this and get it cleaned, disinfected, sanitized, dried and fitted back into the vehicle.